Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Douglas. Today I've come out with secret codes which helps you to know whether someone is spying on you or tracking you. Without wasting time, let me start with secret code number 1. You dial **61# and it's called call forwarding when no reply. As you see, none of mine is being enabled. If you find yours enabled, you can disable them by dialing **61#, then okay. As you see, all of them are being disabled. Then secret code number 2, you dial **62# and it's called call forwarding when not reachable. As you see, none of mine are being enabled. When you find yours enabled, you can disable them by dialing **62#, then okay. All of them are being disabled. Without wasting time, let me go to the third one. You dial **#67# and it's called call forwarding when busy. Also, none of them is being enabled. When you find yours when it's enabled, you can dial **#67# to disable them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Most Douglas lectures. Have a nice day.